Hello everyone. I wanted to talk about the difference between CSO lesson plan and one from my school district in Fairfield that I use now. I compare two plans to get an idea of what I like about uh, CSOE plan and what I like about the one at the Fairfield Susan School District. One thing I noticed about the lesson plan from my school is that it is a little over 1 page, and CSOE plan is 5 pages uh, and has a lot more elements to consider. Uh, the Fairfield plan is much easier and mm, more to the point. It has just about 10 different sections to go through, and the CSOE lesson plan has many more. That is what I found to be the biggest difference between the two. There are also elements that are in the CSOE plan, such as identifying diverse learners and social and emotional skills, things that are somewhat subjective when making the plan. There are more subjective ideas to look at. What I like about the Fairfield plan is that it's smaller and shorter, uh, smaller and shorter and easier to use and complete. It does not have all the information of uh, CSOE plan, which has more details and information to use when planning my lesson. Then I can say the three elements that I found most challenging are first, CSOE plan is longer and is a lot more work to complete than the one I use my school. Second, identifying the diverse learners and their needs as I plan my lesson in order to make sure everyone is learning successfully. I deal with 26 students every day, so this is always a challenge. Of course, some students are the same and some very different when trying to plan a lesson, and I have to remember who is going to be self-motivated, who is going to need direct help, and who will through their paper and run around the classroom. That happens really sometimes in my classroom. And third, in conclusion of social and emotional skills, including the question of how many children in first grade are thinking in a social and emotional way, and what you have to do to get the lesson to the student in a social and emotional way, or deal with the student who is not yet able to think and learn in this way. So those are my impressions of the two different types of lesson plan, one from my current school district and the other from the California School of Education, and the three elements that I found challenging in the CSOE plan. They both have really great things uh, in them, but I am used to the smaller plan. Hopefully, we will integrate things from the CSOE plan in the future. Thank you very much and have a great night and weekend.